Hey guys, it's Den here with another quick tip for you today. Today I want to talk about avoiding the DIY hole. When you are starting out in business, you have no choice but to do everything yourself. And what happens is you develop this really good set of skills around being really good at doing lots of things. Now, as you scale or as you start to think about growth, you simply can't continue to do everything yourself. Now, as a creative, as a video producer, might mean you do your own shooting, you do your own editing. And maybe you're reluctant to hire an editor because you think, well, that's margin I could keep for myself, and I'm pretty good and I'm quick. Or maybe you do your own subtitling. Now, there's a lot of tasks that you are currently doing that are not the highest and best use of your time. And if you continue to do them, you'll get stuck in this DIY hole where you do everything yourself. And it's incredible how much time you spend doing those tasks that you could be spent doing things like sales. So avoid doing everything yourself because you'll end up in a hole. And the problem with that is you'll never grow. I look forward to talking to you again soon.